Harsh is right there. Our bulldog, our Gennady. हर्ष भाई, so I have some questions about PR. तो हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए थोड़ा सा एजुकेट कर दीजिए. PR कब करना है, किस टाइम में करना है, बिगिनर्स लोग कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते एट द इनिशियल स्टेज.
PR को यार प्लान करना पड़ता है. You cannot just randomly do it like every week. So some people do the mistake of going heavy every week. Joints don't recover, muscle don't recover. Your central nervous system is tired. So that time your performance will start going down. So you have to plan it accordingly. Mostly I go heavy like in twice a week I go heavy, nothing more than that. 1 week heavy, 1 week light, pump workout. So you need to work on the technique posture wise, because in squat, deadlift, bench press is really important to understand the leverage and weakness. And in bench press, like it's a compound movement, so like figure out what the strength and weakness are. According to that, set up the posture. If your tricep, shoulder is stronger, take a more closer grip. Chest dominant, wider. It depends. Work on it. Learn the volume training. Program it. If you are able to get 5 kg in 3 months, like that's the goal.
That's a good progress.
Yeah. Amazing progress.
Wow.
So like
तो इसके लिए प्रोसेस क्या होता है? स्टार्टिंग में कैसे शुरू करना है? अगर समझिए वो 2 साल से वो कर रहा है, so he wants to know his ultimate strength. So he wants to hit the PR, but some of them doesn't know the process.
First thing you need to hit the 1 rep max with good posture. How much you can hit? Let's say it's 100. After that, you're not able to move it. So you're gonna program according to 100 kg. Okay, I wanna reduce the weight. I will try 85 for 3 sets, 3 reps.
Okay.
So you can compensate. Like let's say 90 kg for 2, it's equivalent to 100 kg. So I'm not able to do 100, but if I try to do 90 for 3,
Okay.
I might be able to do 102.5.
Okay.
So that's how it works.
So some of them gymmers होते हैं कि एकदम directly they go hit chest. So warm up is very important, necessary होता है. एक्टिवेशन करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, क्योंकि some of them I have seen कि वो वार्म अप वगैरह कुछ नहीं करते. ओके, अभी मुझे 1 rep max करना है, 1 RM करना है और चले जाते.
See, my max is 180 kg. If I just put 180 and try to lift now, I might tore my shoulder or something.
Okay.
Without warm up, see, your nervous system is not awake. Your muscles are sleeping. Blood flow is not there. Muscle to mind connection is not there. So I start with empty bar. 2 sets, 30 count. Then I put 15, 20. Take good rest. 5-minute rest.
Okay.
Get the pump. Then relax, get the heart rate down, then you feel normal, you start with it.
Okay.
And going directly for a PR is like waste. I have done it, and once you get an injury in shoulder and all, it's like almost 1 year, 2 years, sometime lifetime.
Long term.
So be smart.
Injuries होता है.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you have to completely stop. There will be no progress. So it happened with me, like incline bench press. 1 year almost. I still don't do incline bench press. I cannot do it. Only the flat.
What is the rest duration should be?
If आप PR के लिए जा रहे हो, minimum 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes to 10 minutes लगेगा. Do test on your own.
Okay.
Like if you're doing 100 kg bench, and once you take 5 minute rest,
5 minute rest.
then again do 3 and 2, and then just take a 30-second rest. In 30-second rest, I don't think you will be able to complete the 1 rep also.
Actually जो vlogs हम कर रहे हैं आर्म रेसलिंग एंड स्ट्रेंथ बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग, तो आर्म रेसलिंग जो कर रहे हैं, ये जो बेंच प्रेस, शोल्डर प्रेस, बाइसेप कर्ल, ये फाउंडेशन है.
ये कहीं ना कहीं काम आता है. लाइक अगर आपका इसमें ब्रूट स्ट्रेंथ है एंड आफ्टर 2-3 ईयर आप अगर वो एंगल परफेक्ट कर लोगे, तो दैट विल बी एडवांटेज. बिकॉज अब मेरे से लोग पीपल आस्क मी लाइक हाउ डू यू हैव द साइड प्रेशर. मैं नहीं करता हूँ, बट माई क्लोज ग्रिप बेंच इज हेवी, सो आई प्रेस फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट. So my joints are that level, I can hold. So कहीं ना कहीं see overall strength दिखता है टेबल पे, and that will compensate. If you know Denis Sablenko and Levan, Levan also do like 260 kg bench. Why is he doing bench press? Big arm wrestler, right? Denis Sablenko, power lifter, he was Russia's strongest man.
Right.
So वो you can convert it somehow after some time. But see, it takes time. Everything takes time. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, just learn.
बस हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
Like in what perspective?
1 RM करने के टाइम में या आर्म रेसलिंग में स्ट्रेंथ गेन करने के टाइम में फाउंडेशन के
See,
ऊपर.
first thing, अगर आप beginner हो, get a coach. That will save you a lot of time. अगर पैसा है कर सकते हो. But there are a lot of YouTube videos you can follow. Everything is free on internet. Gain your knowledge. अगर आपको कोई दिख रहा है आपसे strongest है जिम में, go and ask them for advice. They will give you पक्का. वो करो and grow. Safe grow. Learn about the deload week also, क्योंकि that's really important. If you keep going heavy and heavy, like you won't get result.
Thank you so much, Harsh bhai. Thank you for your kind time. And आज ये भी PR करने वाले, like not PR but yeah,
after 1.5 years.
1.5 years.
Yeah, so my friend is 160 kg, just 100. So
Oh,
much.
all
Going for
right.
the rest.
Let's go. All the best then. See you.